I'm Dr. Nilanka Pereira, consultant physician in internal medicine. Today we will be talking about a common infection that we see in Sri Lanka, that is leptospirosis. You might be more familiar with the term neona, and this is actually an infection that is caused by a bug or a bacteria. And this bacteria is usually found in animals. So as the name implies, it's much more commonly found in rats. But at the same time, this bug can also be found in many other animals, such as farm animals, pigs, cattle, goats, and other animals as well. And this bug is actually excreted or it goes out from the urine of these infected animals. And the bug, that if it gets into our body, can cause problems. So how does the bug get into our body? It's usually by water or soil that is contaminated with the infected animal's urine. So once the bug gets into the body, that can cause problems such as fever, muscle pains, and many other symptoms. So during these days and some parts of the year, we see this infection more commonly because of the rainfall. And any contact with water, contaminated water, so it might be people working in the paddy fields or farmers, or even mild exposure to rainfall or muddy water in grounds or any other areas, exposure to drains can also cause this infection because the bug can actually go into our body. And if this infection occurs, what really happens is you will experience fever and a lot of muscle pains. And some people can also have yellowish discoloration of eyes because the liver can get involved. And also it can affect some other organs in the body, such as the kidney. So it's very important that an infected person gets proper treatment. So if you're working as a farmer and frequently exposed to this sort of muddy exposure or contaminated soil, then it's important also to take a medication which can even prevent the infection. So you can contact the public health inspector of the area and get the antibiotic that we can prescribe to be taken once a week, which can actually prevent the infection in you. So I have just briefly described what this infection, leptospirosis, is, and I hope you have got a clear message about this bacterial infection.